Here we have a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder SUV. I'm going to be steaming this interior, and to begin with, these dial gauges and the touchscreen areas of the car, I'm going to be a lot more gentle. I'm going to use a brand new microfiber so it's not scratching it up with debris and stuff caught in my microfiber. You want to be super gentle for these areas. They're very easy to scratch, and there are a lot of chemicals that react poorly with them. As we continue on, I'm going to clean the steering wheel down. It is a little bit on the older side. It has a lot of wear and tear. There's some flaking of the leather in some areas, so as I go around, be very careful with the steam and act accordingly. Continuing on to the rest of the interior, a very quick wipe down. Inside of my steamer, I have Optimum No Rinse, commonly called ONR. It's a great versatile product, an all-purpose cleaner that you don't need to rinse off afterwards. I'm going to switch to a new clean side of my microfiber every time I move to a different portion of the interior, and just go around quickly misting everything with that steam, loosening up the grime. In an earlier video, I vacuumed this entire interior. If you want to check that out, I'll throw a link up in the top right corner here. This is part of a series where I clean up this SUV after they had a bit of an accident spilling plants and soil all over. Pay a little extra attention to the center console area where people rest their elbows. Usually the cushion there gets worn down faster, and sometimes, especially during the summer, there can be sweat or oil left over and makes it a more dirty spot. As we continue on, I'm going to quickly steam clean these passenger side cushions. There was not too much built on stains or embedded stuff, but there was a light layer of dust from the aforementioned spilled plants, so give it a quick wipe. In a separate video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep clean the driver's side, which had a lot more stains and wear and tear, so check that out when it drops in the future. Moving on to the doors. There was also plant bits and soil stuck in these pockets, so going in there with a new microfiber and more of my steam. When you're working on leather and plastic bits, try not to hold the steamer in one place for too long. Move it in quick, precise patterns. If you're cleaning the glass, make sure that you have a clean microfiber that's not going to streak the glass, and then finish off by wiping it down with a separate dry microfiber. As we come around to our after video portion here, we can see a huge difference in the way that the steam changed this. The light layer of dust is gone, and now it looks closer to brand new. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. New videos every Tuesday and Friday.